Here's how to export your Instagram Reels with the best settings using Adobe Premiere Pro. Start by opening your project in Premiere Pro. Once everything is ready, head to the top menu and click on Sequence. From the drop-down, choose Sequence Settings. Here, set the frame rate to 29.97 FPS. Instagram supports 30 frames per second, and this setting keeps your content smooth and optimized. Double-check the aspect ratio as well. For Reels, you'll want a vertical orientation with dimensions of 1080 x 1920. Once you've made these adjustments, save your settings. Now, let's move to the export process. Go back to the top menu, click on File, then select Export, and finally choose Media. This will bring up the Export Settings window. In the Export panel first, make sure the format is set to H.264, which is the most efficient format for Instagram. Under Video, click on Match Source to match the resolution and frame rate you just set in the sequence. Next, enable Render at maximum depth and check Use maximum render quality. These options ensure your video retains the best quality during the export process. Scroll down to the bitrate settings. Here's where you can fine-tune the quality. For most Instagram Reels, a variable bitrate with one pass works perfectly. It keeps the file size manageable while maintaining good quality. However, if your video includes advanced effects like optical flow or time remapping, consider switching to a 2-pass for extra precision. For the target bitrate, set it to 120 megabits per second for optimal quality on Instagram. This might increase the file size by a lot, but I've found this to be the best bitrate for Instagram Reels. Finally, double-check your settings, choose a destination for your file, and click Export. Premiere Pro will start rendering your video, and once it's done, your Instagram Reel will be ready to upload. This method ensures your Reels are crisp, smooth, and formatted correctly for Instagram's platform.